Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum and greetings, Alishan Mao here. Well, I've been ordering a whole lot of stuff from Banggood these days, including, yes, I am back to 3D printing, and my Aurora, I believe that's how you spell it, is working really hard day and night 3D printing because I need to test this printer before I can actually post a video about kids. They have been taking some very good interest in building Legos, and they have been very creative. Even my 4-year-old little hubby is actually showing some really nice improvement. He has some really nice creative designs that he builds with the Lego. We had a lot of Lego in Dubai, but only half of it came with us. Half is still on its way by sea shipping. So they have no choice but to play with whatever they have, and they have been very creative. So to keep the creativity going, I have got them a big surprise. Now, because kids are being kids, so they often lose stuff from their Lego bricks, and Lego are really expensive. So what I found was this Cogo, a complete marine set for them, which is, you know, a clone of Lego, but hey, it is very good quality. We have been playing with some really cheap clones. Although these are clones, but we have been experimenting with some really cheap clones, and they are quite good in quality. I mean, compared to the price that you're paying for them, they're okay for kids to play, break them apart, make something else, mix them up. If they do it to some really expensive Lego models, it will not feel very good right here for a hardworking Baba. These clones I found are off to be very good quality compared to the price that you're paying for that. So that is why I've got them a complete set. And if you compare the price of this set to something this big for original Lego, 2 arms and 2 legs, that's what that costs. Let's bring them in and see what they will say about it. Arishadi, come here.
What?
Check this out.
Whoa. What is this? Whoa. What is this?
What is that?
A Lego battleship?
Bring it to the floor.
A Lego battleship? What is this? Baba, this is a Ghost Rider.
Ours is a Ghost Rider. What is that?
A Lego battleship?
You're happy?
Oh. How many?
Wow, there are many inside. I thought there will be only one, right?
Tank. Another tank. A little boat. A little hovercraft. A little helicopter. And a little jet. And what's this? A little submarine. And one map.
And one map. How many are inside?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8.
Papa, I
So,
want to make the submarine first.
you'll make submarine first. Okay,
And
so
I want to make the... Which one? I want to make this.
he's spoiled of choices now.
Yeah.
Quickly decide.
The jet.
The jet. Okay. Now here are the rules. Let me set some rules to play with
like
these.
the tank.
Let me set some rules to play with these, okay? So first we will make what?
Tank.
Alright, first we will make tank. And remember, we will build them and keep them. We will not break and mix them up, because later more will be coming in and you can actually build your whole Lego city. Okay?
Yeah, look, this can become this.
Yes, so you are going to make your own video series of these Legos, and each Lego will have a time-lapse build, okay?
Okay. This can
Alright?
be this.
Right, let's build the tank with a time-lapse. I'll set a camera for you, okay? Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button.